things. Their sale, so Camile Rose,
Kirsty Dow Petrie.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kirsty Petrie, and today I'm bringing you the first episode of Trash or Treasures. In essence, this video is basically me telling you what some of my favorite items of June were and what were not really my favorites, but you know, just keep watching so that way you guys can get the gist of it, and that way y'all can tune in for next time and be ready and be like, girl, you need to try this, tell us how you feel, so that way July Trash or Treasures is all set. Now, before we go, if you want to be a part of the KP gang, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another video of me giving you essential grade tips, fun facts, and whatever else may come across your notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye. The first item on my treasures list is the Almond Jai Twisting Butter from Camile Rose Naturals. You guys, I am really feeling the way that this feels on my hair, how it feels on Jai's hair, and not only that, the smell is amazing. So if you guys want a good hair product that smells good, check them out. It seems like it's gonna be heavy, but if you apply the right amount, it's not gonna be heavy. I use it on my natural hair when it's dry and when it's wet, and I don't get a white residue that I sometimes get with other hair moisturizers. So this one for sure, if you have that problem, especially if you like to use oils and other liquids with your hair moisturizer, I didn't have any issues, so I recommend it. I did enjoy it, and my hair had a nice slip too as I was applying it. It's really cool. I give this 10. Okay, so this is from Cream of Nature. This is their 100% pure argan oil, and it is from Cream of Nature. It says new on the bottle, but I actually have seen this before, like a year ago, maybe even a year and a half ago. I did try it back then, but it wasn't in this bottle. It was in another type of bottle, so it might be new. Anyways, I love this. I love this stuff because it leaves my hair shiny and soft. In my last video with the Bantu knots, guys, I did use Cream of Nature's Argan buttermilk, and you guys saw that shine. It left it shining. Shining, 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 yeah. This did it too. So if you guys want to get some shine in your hair, you want to reduce split ends, you want to reduce the dryness, add some moisture to your hair, you want to get a great fragrance, try out the this argan oil. Argan oil is great for the hair, especially for reducing frizz, preventing frizz. So if you are a person who gets frizzy hair, or you know, you constantly battling with frizz and dullness, get you some argan oil, put a couple drops. You can even warm this up, like you could warm this up, get you a couple drops, put it on your hair, massage it into your scalp, and then go on with your day. Let's get into this toner. This toner is from URBANSKIN RX. I heard about this line from Dominique, from Dominique's Vanity Corner. She was raving about it, and her and I went on a trip together, and I used a couple products of hers that were travel size, and I said, wow, I think I'm gonna try this on my own. And actually URBANSKIN RX ended up sending me a nice collection of products as a gift for me to try. And you guys, this is one of my treasures. This is a toner. That's not what it's for, but I do use it as a refresher mist on some days, like after my face is cleansed and I just need a pick me up. I do use it as a little refresher mist. But anyways, this toner is packed with citrus, leaf extract, sage extract, cucumber extract, fennel seed extract. There are some other things in here like glycerin and some more salvia, extract, castor oil, water, of course, octapeptide, and a couple other things. There is no alcohol in this, okay? And I do not see any type of parabens, so it seems, to me, I haven't had issues, and I do have a pretty sensitive face, and I mean a really sensitive face. As soon as I put something on for the first time, if I even feel tingling and all of that stuff, I don't use it again. Or if I do chance it, I'm very wary, because normally when I feel the tingling, I do break out. So I do have pretty sensitive skin, and this toner from URBANSKIN RX. It's called the pH Balance All Skin Toner. It's powered with acetyl octapeptide and cucumber extract. That was a tongue twister. But yeah, check it out if you guys are looking for a toner in the market. This company is also very melanin friendly. If you check out their Instagram, you check out their Facebook and all of their ads, you will see a lot of information about them. You will see a lot of melanin friendly chicas using their products and recommending it. Their stuff was featured in Essence, Allure, Cosmopolitan, Ebony magazine. So yeah, it's highly recommended. So guys, I have another product from URBANSKIN RX. Now, this one is from JJ. JJ went in. Let me come close. JJ went in my stuff. He went into my URBANSKIN RX stuff. And do you know that he has been using my mask? This is from URBANSKIN RX. This is their Purifying Pumpkin Pore Mask. He's been using my mask, you guys. He loves it. So he told me to tell you guys he loves it. I'm whispering because he's asleep and I don't want him to hear me talking about him. But he be using my mask 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm like, sir, can I have my mask back? You got, look, I'm not lying, look. He been using, what can y'all see? He been using my mask. JJ been using my mask up, you guys. But it's okay though, he really likes it. He does like it. It does. Hey, I'm back. He does enjoy it. The mask does smell great. This is a this mask warms up on your face. So as soon as it touches your face, it warms up on contact. And I usually leave it on for about 15 minutes. He does too. It doesn't irritate or get stuck in his facial hair. So ladies, if you need a product to recommend for your husbands or significant other, you can recommend this. If y'all want to see what URBANSKIN RX is all about, head on over to their page. They're always having sales. Make sure you subscribe to their newsletter so you are always getting those emails, because I always get emails talking about 20% off and all of that. So yeah, this is the Purifying Pumpkin Pore Mask. It smooths, clarifies, and it improves the appearance of pore size. Okay guys, I got one more product left. This one is also going into my treasures collection, and I posted about this on my Instagram. This is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Rose Pure Castile Soap. Pure Castle? Let me know. How do I say it? This is the 18-in-1 Hemp Rose Pure Castile Soap, and it's certified fair trade, made with organic oils. So I'm gonna read the ingredients real quick. Water, organic coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, palm kernel oil, olive oil, rose fragrance, hemp oil, jojoba oil, citric acid. All of these products are fair trade ingredients. This is almost gone, you you guys, this is almost gone, and I'm not ashamed to say it because I use this for everything. I have been using this and I like this, and I recommend it for all my ladies. If you don't be using all of that extra stuff down there, none of that, get you some Dr. Bronner's. Not only is it great for down there, it's great for your entire body. It's great for your hair. I do use it to wash my hair, especially on the days when I be wearing all my wigs and stuff like this. It's perfect to rinse out the got-to-be glue. Like, it gets all of the residue from the got-to-be glue out. I have used this to wash 2 of my wigs. They're synthetic wigs, but like I said, the buildup from the glue does get quite interesting. So I do use this to wash that out. I've used it on Jai's hair to wash. I've used it to wash my underwear, hand washing underwear. So I recommend it if you guys want an all natural soap that you can pretty much use for everything. I have also used it to remove makeup. So when I have a beat face like this, I will use some Dr. Bronner's to get the first layer off, and then I'll go in with my mask and other products to really remove everything. So guys, get you some Dr. Bronner's. If you have used Dr. Bronner's, I want you guys to comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite scent, because I'm about to be out. My next scent that I'm gonna get is the almond one, but I really want to try some other ones. So comment down below and let me know which one from Dr. Bronner's is your favorite scent, and if you have any issues or what's some of the other things that you do with this. Okay, next, I have a trash for you. Okay, and the only reason I'm giving this a trash is because the band actually kind of hurts my head. The print is beautiful, it's so cute, and I love it, but the band does hurt my head. I've worn it a few times with a hairstyle and without a hairstyle, but this bonnet, she hurts. Okay, this band, I don't know what's, it's a little too, I don't know if it's like this, it's an elastic that's in here. To me, it hurts a little bit, so, and I'm left with like a humongous mark right here. Y'all already know the mark that I'm talking about if you wear scarves at night. So for me, this one was not really, it's like half and half. I'm keeping this. She ain't going nowhere because I love this pattern. But the band, I'm not really fond of. This is not by this other company, Iso-Kenenofe. Yes, I said it. It's not by them. They have some very pretty bonnets, just as beautiful as this pattern, but their band, I've seen it in person, is a little bit different and thicker, and it seems like it was way smoother than this one. So when I get that, I think I'm gonna do a review for you guys so y'all can see. But for me, this band is what's trash, but the print I love. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video. It was a really quick one. I just wanted to share some of my products that I've been using faithfully for the month of May and June. If you guys have any recommendations of some products that I should be trying or should try or would want to try, please comment down below, tag me on Instagram, whatever you guys want to do, because I'm pretty open to trying new products as long as they're not like heavily scented or anything like that in regards to being on my body. As far as my hair is concerned, I'm okay with fragrance. So please recommend some products because I'm all for it. It doesn't have to just be hair. I'm open to skincare products that you guys think are working great for you. My skin type is normal to dry. So guys, please leave your recommendations down below. I'd love to hear what you guys are ranting and raving about, and I'd love to feature it in my July episode of Trash or Treasures. Thank you guys for being so amazing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment down below if you have any more video ideas, because I'd love to do those videos for y'all. And Until next time, stay channeling the beauty that's within inside of you. I'm out.